We interrupt this program because of an emergency. Important information will follow.
Issued at 10:09 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a dust storm warning for Southeastern Spokane County and northeastern Washington until 10:45 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 10:08 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a dust channel was 12 miles south of Dishman, or 12 miles south of Spokane Valley, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the south. Highway 195 in Washington between mile markers 76 and 84. This dust channel will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Spokane County, including the following locations: Spangle. Dust storms led to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights, and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive. Repeating, a dust storm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Spokane, Washington.
This concludes operations under the Inland Northwest Emergency Alert System. We now return to our regular programming.